Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job, and I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link all of them as well. Today, you guys, I wanted to do a little bit of savings. I don't know when I'm actually going to be able to get done today because I am squeezing this cash stuffing in based on the fact that I need money. My Etsy pay came through yesterday. Part of it I did put towards my cell phone bill because apparently I am no longer in that promotion. And you would think by now we would pay attention to those things, or at least be aware of what we're getting ourselves into and keep that memory stored in our brains, and I don't tend to do that. But today we have 40 bucks that we're working with. I need to get some change, so let me see where I can grab it, and I will try to speed through this because it's probably a good idea to try to do that. All right, so we've got some change, so I'm going to move. No, you know what? I'm not going to move this off to the side because these are a couple of the games that we're going to actually be playing. And so let's start with let's start with the Everything Beachy. This is a savings challenge that is linked down below as a freebie with the collaboration of ladies that I mentioned earlier. So we do have some cash we've already started saving. And I grabbed my marker. Where is it at? Who has my marker? Okay, I found it. It was me. I had it. It was just in another place than where I remember putting it. All right, so we have 2 dice here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll roll the dice to see which spot will be selected. Then we'll roll 1 dice just to see if we're going to stuff $1 or $2. $1 if it's odd, $2 if it's even. That's the way I've been playing it, so let's do this. All right, so 1 and 6 here. 3 odd. Okay. 1 and 2. 1, 2, $3 because anytime I roll a nail, oh, yeah, $3. 1. How about, yeah, let's just do this because. All right, let's see. Can you get, okay, 5 and 2 right here. 2, which is even. Okay. Oh, roll that off. Okay, 1 and 5. 1, 5 here. Even. $2. Let's see, can we grab a couple of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just put a $5 bill over here. 4 and 3. 4, 3 is already taken. 4, 3 is already taken. Okay, now, should we try one more time? No, we won't try one more time. We will go ahead and see what we've saved today. We have $5, $6, $7, $8 that we saved, which is awesome. And in total for the savings challenge, I have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. I was trying to decide if I'm going to continue on doing this savings challenge for the rest of the month, or if after next Sunday, if I'm going to unstuff it. I'll let you know. I will definitely keep you posted. I am taking some time off and I need some funds to cover my expenses. My bills are already taken care of. My rent is already set up so I can make my payment, and everything's on track in terms of bills, but my expenses I did not save for. So I know that these funds are going to be very important to have for the coming weeks. All right. So this savings challenge is a Happy Birthday Queen, which I did purchase off of SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs Ko-Fi shop. I will make sure to link it. Let me grab my markers. All right, so I had a couple of markers going with my savings challenges, so we're going to try to figure this out. I'm just going to should we roll the dice, or let's do the players cards. So the players cards, they're just $1 or $2, and the other stack with 3 or more. I decided don't pull those out. You don't have enough cash for that. $2. And each one of my circles are worth $2. So let's do that. $1. See, $1. So that's 2. And if people are interested in the players cards, they will be linked down below. I know some people don't like the slam of the dice, and other people really enjoy it. You know, so you have you know, multiple options. $1. Let's see, can we get another 2? Okay, so another $1. That's 2. All right, I think we're gonna call this one good for now. And we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. I have $41. Okay, so this will be one of the savings challenges. I will be unstuffing for sure. I did decide that would make more sense for me to unstuff this one when it's actually time. So today's Wednesday. I have a video coming Friday. I'm going to try to actually record that one next so I can edit it and make sure it's up on Friday. And then Sunday, I have another video. And so we should see how much savings takes place by then. I don't know how much savings we're going to actually have, but I think it's valuable to give it a shot. So I believe in this one I have an IOU. This is the Bohemian set, which you can find down below. So this one was completed and we were working on this savings challenge. We had a $4 IOU, so let's pay that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then, oh boy, this one's going to be a big one, I think. But I have to finish this one because this is the one that I will be unstuffing as well. And you won't believe this, but I literally grabbed a coin, and now I don't know what I did with it. It's not where my marker was. Okay, I found another coin. Oh boy, let's see. 10 doll hairs. Oh my goodness, 10 of them. Woo-wee. Okay. Now, what that means is we don't have an IOU. Okay, so that's good. We can put that baby over there. $10. Oh man. Okay, so that we're out of there. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14, and that gives us a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $24. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. So that means this savings challenge is completed, and if you've been following along, there is a set of 4 for the Bohemian, and I completed all 4. I usually stay away from scratch-offs. I've mentioned it before. They stress me out pretty good. So this one has 27. This one has 24. So the total in this binder I will have for my expenses and anything going forward for the next 2 weeks, because like I said, I decided to take some time off. All right, so here we go. What do we want to do next? What are we working on? Give me 1 second to pull my thoughts together. All right, so let's work on our baddie bankroll. It's a yearly savings challenge with monthly challenges. And I think what we'll do, because we don't have a lot of cash over here. I think what we'll do is, I have a 12, and I'm doing the sum method where you add the numbers together when it's necessary for me to do so. So that means I need $3 for this. And so I do have $1, so we're going to put 2 and 4, and then, so that means we added 3. So I'm just going to mark this because sometimes I won't be putting, sometimes I won't be doing the sum method, and so I just want to make sure I have documents of that when I do use it. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. And this I'm working on for the month of August. So it looks like I have an 8 and a 9 to complete this savings challenge. So what I'm going to do is the best I can to try to get it done. like I said, I have a few more savings challenge videos coming this week, and then I'm just going to see how things go while I'm out of work for 2 weeks. All right, and we have another savings challenge, which saying $4, and I don't know if I want to, do I want to put that $4 in there and complete that savings challenge? I think I do, because I want to work on my Librarian set, but I think I left some low numbers for my Librarian. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. We completed February, so I'm making progress. We're adding that $4 today, giving us a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15, which that's what this total should have been. And let's take this $2 bill here, and can we take this other? Yes, $2. Such great progress. So the way I'm working my savings challenges is I am working on the current month, and then I'm choosing the months that I've already passed simultaneously. So I'm working on 2 savings challenges at once, because some of these numbers are pretty low where they're reasonable and I can work on them. But also I've decided to do the sum method where I can, because that will help me in the long run with keeping my savings challenge numbers low enough for me to complete a savings challenge. This savings challenge will be used for my Christmas PTO. I'm a firm believer in making time for yourself and taking time off from work. Everything can't be about work, 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 work. I know some people love work, and for them that's amazing. I love for that to be their life, but for me, it's a no-go. I want to have time for me. I want to have time for my children. And as a matter of fact, my kids started school on Monday, and we had this full-on conversation about transportation and them getting back and forth to school. They don't have bikes right now, so the bikes they had, they were too small, and then we were gifted one, and that one's still too small. My kids are very big, so I have to work on getting them bigger bikes. And I was like, okay, well, in the meantime, you can ride the city bus. And they were like, Mom, don't you love us? Don't you want to see us? What is your schedule? Like, trying to check me and make sure that their chauffeur is available for their needs. So yeah, I discussed it with their father. He said, I don't know about them riding the city bus. It is very close. The ride is probably like maybe tops 5 minutes, but I understand, especially because people are not very caring the way that we would love for them to be, and people don't care about your children the way you care about them. So I get it. I understand. This savings challenge is the Librarian set, and you can find it in S&C Budget Creations. I've been just slightly obsessed with it. I think that I'm excited to see the growth that's taking place. This first envelope is $100. If you're saving dollars. If you're saving dimes, nickels, you'll have to figure that out according to whatever it is that you're doing. But they are envelopes, and so today we are adding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Okay, that's a little bit more than I thought we were gonna have. So I think I'm just gonna do a $5 spot. I've been saving the smaller amounts for times where I know I'm going to need to put in $1 or $2. So that's when I'm able to, I just want to put the bigger number there. So now I know where to come for change. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I have $40. Oh my goodness. That is such great progress. Amazing. Fabulous. I love this. This has been amazing for me. Okay, so we are out of cash. So we've completed we've stuffed our Librarian, our Baddie bankroll, which I will link her in her, that way you can check her out, her shop. Oh, as a matter of fact, let's do this really quickly. There's a checklist for the months that you've completed, and I didn't mark July. All right, okay. And August needed a little bit more love. But this savings challenge, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to print it and laminate it, so that way I can have it in rotation. I really like it. I like the low numbers, and I like that I can use it for a specific goal. Okay, so Baddie bankroll. What else did we do? Oh, our Bohemian. I made a new savings challenge setup, so that's why that binder's there. Bohemian. Also, everything Beachy, which is still a freebie listed down below. then the Happy Birthday Queen Savings Challenge from I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I decided to get this savings challenge because my birthday is next week. So, yay for me. Very excited. I'll be 44 years old. Yay. I'm enjoying getting older. I think when you're younger, you're afraid of becoming older. But what I've learned, especially being around older women, is that aging is a privilege, but also you start to value your life in a different way than you did before. So the things that matter to you when you were younger, they don't matter as much or in the same way. And so you find value in what you think your life should be shaped as, what it should look like. So yeah, and I'm thanking God for it. I'm so close to 44, and I think that it's something to really, you know, be proud of and smile about. It's because a lot of people didn't make it to 44. I have a couple of old friends that didn't make it. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. We've completed some savings challenges, and I'm so glad that you're here. Be on the lookout next week of my birthday week. I am going to do a giveaway. And I'm trying to sort through and figure out if I'm going to do one winner or two. But just come back, check out, see what's going on, because I think it's cool that we're still live and kicking at S&C Budget Creations. You guys have been loving the items that have been created, so come back and see us so that way we can do this giveaway. But yes, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.